Hello students, this is a class for BA Part 1st English Literature students and we will be doing cascade episode, the significance of cascade episode in the play. In the cascade story of the play, three cascades are mentioned and they are made of three metals, gold, silver and lead. Certain mottos are inscribed on each of the cascades. One of these cascades holds the portrait of Portia. It is laid down in the will of Portia's late father that whoever happens to choose the casket in which Portia's portrait is concealed or hidden will win Portia as a bride. On the very face of such a will, it is very clear that the choice of the caskets is a kind of lottery. But then, if we consider the mottos on the caskets, we feel that there must be some hidden motive behind this lottery. Many of the readers of the modern world would say that this choice of the caskets reflects nothing but the ignorance and superstition of the father of Portia, who believed in blind fate, particularly in the hand of fate in human marriage. Shakespeare says in the present play that hanging and wiving go by destiny. And therefore, if we take the caskets from the Elizabethan standoff point of view, it should be no better than a gamble of chance in the choice of one's marriage. But then, what is the idea behind the mottos inscribed on each of the caskets? On the golden casket, it is written, "Who chooses me shall gain what many men desire." On the silver casket, it is written, "Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves." On the leaden casket, it is written, "Who chooseth me must give and hazard all he hath." Let us try to interpret the inscriptions on the caskets and find out if they have got any special significance. The inscription on the golden casket means that most people are attracted by gold or wealth, but we know that Goldsmith has said, where wealth accumulates, men decay. Not only that, but when people become wealthy, they become corrupt with many vices. So, to be attracted by gold or wealth means inviting ruin only. The significance of the motto on the silver casket is that everybody should get what he deserves. But the question is how one can judge how much one deserves? Because everybody has got in him some amount of vanity or self conceit, and therefore everybody is likely to overrate himself, and naturally, everybody thinks that he deserves everything. So it is risky on one's part to judge what one really deserves. The motto on the leaden casket says that whoever will risk his all, the person who risks everything will get the thing for which he will risk his all, which means, in other words, no gain without risk. Or, unless one works hard and puts in his best energy and intelligence, one cannot expect to succeed in anything. Now, the question is how one can choose the right casket or get the desired thing by interpreting the inscriptions on the casket in the manner we have interpreted them. Of course, those who will run after the glittering things in the world, of course, those who run after gold will always be cheated because all that glitters is not gold. Shakespeare has written this. Then again, if one goes to judge one's own merits and tries to secure a thing according to one's own merits only, one will always be deceived Why? Why he will be deceived? Because everybody in the world is more or less vain, and naturally everybody will misjudge himself and thus will not be able to get what he really deserves. But if one goes to apply all his energy to a thing without considering the outward appearances or without considering what one deserves, one is very likely to be rewarded with success. That is how we can say that the inscription on the caskets will truly bring out the character of a man and will test him whether he is really deserving for getting anything. Bassanio correctly interprets the inscription on the caskets, and that is why he succeeds in choosing the right casket. His manner of interpretation of the inscriptions serves as the test of his character and proves that Bassanio is not a man to be tempted by the glitter of things, or nor he is a man to be misled by his vanity to overrate himself, but that he is a man who believes in putting in all his energy in order to win something, whatever may be his aim. As in the present case, his sole aim was to win Portia, and he ultimately wins her. So actually, he was a soldier and he believed that without risk, nothing can be achieved, and therefore, it was actually his reasoning faculty which finally wins him the hand of Portia. Thank you very much. That's all for this particular point casket episode.